Go.
Oh, the ball fell out of my phone!
You're so slow.
I don't mean to go slow. I want to go again. Screw the pillows. They don't help at all.
No.
Get the pillows out of here. Good spot.
Hurry up. You're halfway done. That would suck when my parents came home.
They would get so mad.
Oh, my dad would.
Ready?
So. She's gonna fall down the stairs.
Oh God! Give me people.
Okay, action. Go. Oh yeah, gotta get the glove. See,
Are you
like
ready?
Elmo hands.
I'm coming. Okay, the pillows did not help at all.
Is she gonna make it? Is she gonna make it? She's not gonna make it. Gotta get her gloves on.
So bad. Ready? Set.
The mattress did not help at all. You can do it, Shelby.
I can't get it over my pillows.
You don't need it over your pillows.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. You made the mattress hit me. Good job. That looks like it hurt.
Yeah.
Your pillows are jumping.
What?
Nothing.
Oh God. I think I'm good.
Go.
Oh God, what do I have to get on this side? Hurry up. Are you ready? Go! Do it! What did not think there was that good? Did last time. Ready, set, go.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't